Yay! Once again, welcome to a new class, our lesson 6 problem set, where you'll be learning how to interpret the unknown in the division sentence using the array method. You're going to be learning how to interpret the unknown in a division using the array model. Let's go. Okay, let's look at this divide equals. How many groups are we seeing here? 3. What is the size of each group? 5. So, a division sentence will be 15 divided by 3 equals 5. If you divide it to 5 groups, and 15 divided by 5 equals 3. This is 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Now look at this. 18 divided into 2 groups. So 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 9 per group. And if you are looking for the number of groups, 18 divided by 9, which is the size of the group, equals 2. Now let's look at this application problem. 20 children play a game. There are 5 children on each team. How many children play the game? 20. How many kids on each team? 5. So how many teams play the game? That will be 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So 4 kids or 4 children play the game. Oh, sorry. 4 teams. Rather, 4 teams play the game. Now look at this array from the application problem closely. That this is what? Let's count the number of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the same thing as this number of groups. What is the size of each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total number of children will be what? If you count all dots, that's 20, because 5 times 4 is 20. So the number of children of each team and number of dots in each row. So we have 5, number of children on each team, 5. Another team, another team, and another team. Number of teams and number of rows. So we have how many teams? 5, 4 teams, and 5 kids in each team. 8 divided by 2. If 8 is the total and 2 is the size of the group, what's 4? 4 will be the number of groups. 18 is the total, 6 is the number of groups, 3 will be what? The size of each group. Now join an array that shows the equation 15 divided by 3. 15 is the total number. 3 will be the size, number of groups, and 5 is the size of each group. So we are the quotient. The quotient is, this is the quotient, 3 is the quotient, sorry, 3 is the divisor, 5 is the quotient. So 5 represents the size of the group. Now, the division sentence will be 15 divided by 3, while the multiplication sentence will be 3 times 5. 3 is the number of groups and 5 is the size of each group. You get it? Good. Division sentence for this: 4 rows of 2, meaning 4 rows, 2 in each row. 7 rows of 3, 7 rows, 3 in each row. What do multiply by 3 to give us 24? And that number is 8. This is 2 times 9, 18. 3 times 9, 27. So let's see if this is true. Both are questions, so both equations ask many threes in what? What to multiply by 3 to give us 24, that's 8, and 24 divided by 3 is also 8. 8 times 3 is 24, and 24 divided by 3 equals 8. So this is our lesson 4 problem set. Do well to do your content page quiz and move to the next slide. See you there.